Hi, Sony.
Hi, baby.
You're looking amazing.
Thank you, honey.
You're so beautiful. I'm so proud of you. Look at this. This is my baby.
Honey, our ugali is ready, so we're just going to boil it. My boyfriend tries ugali for the first time. Let's go right ahead and have fun. Ugali is a type of stiff maize flour porridge made in Africa. It is cooked in boiling water or milk until it reaches a stiff or firm dough-like consistency. In 2017, the dish was added to the UNESCO representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity, one of a few foods in the list. It's a staple starchy food in Kenyan culture, and it's eaten in our homesteads with vegetables, mostly greens, meat, or milk in some cultures. Now that you know those few facts about ugali, let's go right ahead and cook it today and also enjoy it. You're making ugali, but first we are going to start with our meat. I had parboiled the meat, so right now it's sauteing the onion so that we can start frying the meat. Look who is helping! Yay!
And I'm gonna drink a beer.
Yes, my love. Moisturizer soda. What's my love? So I will quickly fry the meat and then add the broth that I boiled it in so that it is cooked, and then I can add my tomatoes in and have a very good stew. It's the moment of truth. We are making,
I think ugali.
yes, we are making ugali. So first what we do the boiling water. Boiling water. Boiled water, then we add flour. That's corn flour. It's actually maize flour to give it the right term. Maize flour, then let it boil over, and we use this, which is called a cooking stick. Yeah, this is what we're using. It's a lot of ugali. You stir, and you want a good consistency.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. This so long. Finally, they feed me ugali.
Boil it into a small bowl, and then that's how we're gonna serve it. See you at the serving. Meat is ready, and we are just going to add tomatoes and simmer it to just get a good unit. Okay, 1 cube of knorr. I'm adding also black pepper, paprika, cayenne, and then 1 Maggi cube. And then I'll taste the salt, so that if it needs more salt, then I can add some salt, but I don't think it will need salt, so I'm going to stir everything on. Our beef stew is almost ready, so I'll just let it simmer on the side and then prepare the vegetables. We are doing kale and spinach, and yes, those are the vegetables for eating our ugali. So this one is going to simmer on the side.
For 490 carbs, and I tell you, you could very easily knock that off the Canadian side and still.
Ugali. Let's see, honey. Ugali.
Ugali.
Tell us your reaction.
I love ugali.
Almost big lad have to take that shot. Belgian.
But they are, but I think it's just the age difference between the two sides.
Yeah, he's not sure towards goal again, going off target. Well,